Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this M&M Meat Classic Beef Stew. Never tried it yet. This was on sale. This is $5. It's actually really small though, so here's my size of my hand. Yeah, it's not, I don't know if I would buy it for full price, but I'll have to try it out first. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There's the nutrient panel. If you want to read it, pause the video. Let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm just going to warm it up in the Instant Pot here. And then go do a quick taste test. Alright guys, stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, so this is the stew all cooked up. Let's do a quick taste test. There it is. It does have some good meat chunks in there. It's actually really good. It has this sort of like a, almost like a chicken bouillon type of stew taste to it. It's pretty good, but it is really small though, guys. Yeah, yeah, it's actually like, it's literally like a single serving. That's pretty much it. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.